There is one big mistake that I see established professional service business owners, consultants, agency owners, firm owners make over and over again that is costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars in lost revenue and opportunity. And I want to talk to you today about what it is and how to fix it. Welcome to the Expert in You podcast, the show where we have real conversations with established founders, firm owners, and B2B experts selling their expertise as services. We talk about what's happening now inside experienced businesses where positioning, influence, and growth directly affect opportunities and contracts. I'm Carden. Let's get into it. My name is Carden. I'm a strategic business growth advisor and the CEO of Expert in You Media and Marketing Agency and Programs. And what I'm sharing with you today is not an idea. It's not something that I got from a book or read on a Facebook post. I am sharing this with you today from real experience. I've worked with hundreds of business owners in over 80 different industries, and I've personally built 7 businesses for myself, and I've sold 5 of those, and I'm still operating 2 of those today. So what I'm sharing with you is from real experience in my clients' businesses and what I have seen show up over and over again. So let me ask you this. If someone looked at your business, or if you take a look at your own business and you have spent years developing your experience, your expertise, your skill sets, your knowledge, would you say that your business is operating at the level of your expertise? Are you getting the best clients at the highest fees that are out there? Are you getting revenue growth like crazy? Are you getting big opportunities that come to you and open up to you? Are you getting great referrals consistently coming to you? Because if not, then this is the opportunity that sits in your business right now. Now, I heard 2 animals used by T.D. Jakes in something that he was sharing, and he talked about a turtle and a giraffe. And I started thinking about this, and I'm going to use it in a very different way than he did. But I thought a turtle and a giraffe, that's perfect for what I'm trying to talk about. So I will share the one big mistake with you, but you'll see it along the way here as I start talking. Let's think about a turtle for a minute. Okay. A turtle is down at the ground, right? It's ground level. And a turtle moves slow and it works hard to move forward, right? It doesn't move fast and it works hard, and it probably gets stuck on the rocks and it gets stuck in the weeds, and it, has to move through the grass. And this is what most business owners are like in their business. They're turtles. They are down in the weeds. They have their head down. They're grinding. They're moving through the weeds. They're moving forward, but not fast. They're only seeing what's in front of them, right? A turtle only has the view of what is right in front of them and what's right around them. They're working hard, but you can't see much outside of the ground view, right? But then if you think about a giraffe is up here. So a giraffe has a completely different view than the turtle. It can see so much further. It can see so much more opportunity. It's above the noise. It's above the crowd. It's higher. It's working, the giraffe is higher. So it's not going to work harder. It's going to work higher. So where the turtle maybe moved 6 inches at a time, the giraffe has a longer stride and it moves faster, and it can move 6 feet at a time. Do you see where I'm going with this? So imagine if the giraffe is the big opportunities, the big clients, the big money, the big fees. And yet, and it moves faster, right? The growth is faster. Then what's going on down here with the turtles? Is this making sense? So if you think about it, are you operating like a turtle or are you operating like the giraffe? So the one big mistake that business owners who are great at what they do make is they don't elevate before they grow. They are down here as a turtle and they keep trying to grow as a turtle, and it's slow. And they move forward, but they don't move forward fast. And they're not getting the best, right? Because they don't even know all the opportunities that are available. They're not even seeing the best clients because the best clients are up here. The highest fees are up here. The highest revenue is up here. The bigger opportunities are up here. So the number one mistake is not elevating your business before you try to grow. So once you have developed experience and knowledge and skills and expertise, you don't want to stay down here like a turtle. You need to move up to the giraffe level. You need to elevate to the giraffe level, and then you grow that. So think about this. Would you rather make the same revenue from 10 clients or 100 clients? The 100 clients would be the turtle. And that's going to mean more grind, more overhead, less profits, slower, right? Just a slower everything, stuck in the weeds. But if you were operating like the giraffe, if you were elevated and operating up here, 10 clients for the same revenue, wouldn't that be an easier business? And wouldn't it really be what you deserve for the experience that you've developed? So I want to ask you, are you a turtle? Are you kind of still operating like a turtle? Or are you operating like a giraffe? I help my clients operate like the giraffe. I help them elevate. Then we grow that. I mean, wouldn't you rather grow a $100,000 offer or a $10,000 offer? Think about that for a minute. Same revenue, right? Add $1 million. That would be 10 clients, or you would need 100 clients at $10,000. You see the difference? So let me ask you, have you elevated your business before you grew it? Have you thought about who's getting the best clients? Who's getting the best fees? Who's getting the bigger opportunities? Because people are getting them. It should be you if you're great at what you do. Now, I want to dive deeper into all of this, and I'm going to show you the 4 power moves that you can make in your business that can help you elevate and start operating up here versus down here in the mainstream and in the weeds. I don't want you competing with people that aren't even in your league. We see it all the time. I see experts competing with beginners. That should not happen, but it does happen because the beginners have learned how to do things better. And the experts, a lot of times, because they've been in business so long, this is their world, this is their view, and they don't even realize there's a world outside of that. They don't even realize the opportunities that sit above that world because they're too busy in the grind. They're too busy slogging through the weeds, growing slow, incremental growth, right? Let's fix this for you. So I want to invite you into a strategic elevation event where we are going to look at the 4 areas that can help you start operating at the level and getting the high caliber clients, multiplying your referrals, and getting that high revenue growth that you earned, that you deserve. So go to expertinyousuccess.com and request an invitation to be in the room. It's a small room. We're going to strategically work on your business. This isn't where I sit and talk to you. This is an interactive event, and it is a small curated room of real established people that deserve more in their business. So if this is you, go to expertinyousuccess.com and apply for an invitation. And if this is a fit for you, I can't wait to see you and help you start elevating your business. And again, this isn't theory. I've helped people do this over and over again, but it is the number one mistake that's costing people a fortune. So go to expertinyousuccess.com, request an invitation, And until next time, God bless you and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.
The content of this podcast is for informational and educational purposes only. Although I share strategies, ideas, and success stories based on real experiences, results are never guaranteed. Every business is unique, and outcomes depend on individual effort, market conditions, and many other factors. By listening, you agree that I and my guests are not responsible for your results or actions based on the content shared. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're as excited as I am about scaling up your influence, business, and bank account, then I have just the thing for you. But first, make sure you subscribe to the show. Second, make sure you share it with someone you care about, because sharing is caring. And third, head on over to join me in my next free virtual exclusive workshop, where we'll explore proven strategies to boost your business and maximize your potential. Look, it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're looking to take your business to the next level, my workshops are designed for you. So head on over to expertinyouworkshop.com to reserve your spot and get ready to transform your expertise into extraordinary success. I'm looking forward to seeing you there and helping you achieve incredible growth. Until next time, make sure you're always seeking the expert in you, and God bless. Have an amazing day.